Presenting the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 11th generation Intel i3 15.6 inches Full HD thin and light laptop. It comes with 6 MB cache and up to 12 GB. 512 GB SSD and memory and storage, 8 GB RAM DDR4. It has display, 15.6 inches Full HD, 1920 by 1080. It comes with 3 cell 45 watt-hours, up to 6 hours and rapid charge, up to 80% in 1 hour. It features HD audio, Dolby audio, and Whisper voice. Audio, 2 by 1.5 watt stereo speakers and integrated dual array microphone. Headphone/mic combo jack, HDMI 1.4b and camera, built-in, 720p with privacy shutter. It also features narrow bezel, brightness, 250 nits and design, 4-side narrow bezel. It also features 1 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 and 4-in-1 media reader, MMC, SD, SDHC, SDXC. The delivery box contains laptop, user manual, and power adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.